Okay, so I'm going to attempt 3 of the best Harry Potter spells for the iPhone that I found. One is Lumos. Hey Siri, Lumos.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
Hey Siri, Nox.
It's off?
The third one that I found was really cool is actually you can use Accio. Technically, so it's like ASIO in the books if you do the ebooks, but it's Accio. Hey Siri, Accio Safari. Hey Siri, Accio YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for some more fun videos. So I am curious what happens if you try to use Accio while you're in an app. Hey Siri, Accio Safari. Hey Siri, Accio YouTube. So it just rotates between them. If we're being super honest with ourselves though, I most likely am not going to go, hey Siri, Lumos, when I'm in the dark and like trying to find something, because it would probably be faster. Because when you turn on your phone screen, you literally just hold this button on and off. See, on, off, and the flashlight comes on. So in the 3 seconds that it takes me to say, hey Siri, Lumos.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
Turn on the flashlight, or hey Siri, Lumos, versus
It's on now.
Versus pressing the button. It's faster to just press the button. It is cool if you're a super Harry Potter nerd and you're just trying to show off, especially for example, Nox. I see ASIO, or from the ebooks it's ASIO, in the movies it's Accio. I feel like Accio will be cool for Harry Potter nerds and also if you're just trying to open up something. But I am curious, if you just say, for example, hey Siri, open YouTube. It does it anyways. So Accio, 3 syllables, open, 2 syllables. If you're in a rush, you just use open and it does the job. So it's a very particular person who's gonna use Harry Potter spells on their iPhone. Will I most likely be using these 3 spells? Probably not. But it is cool to know that all of the nerds who built these phones put the spells in them. It's fun. It's one of those nature creates man, then man creates nature. You know, like art is just a way of replicating nature. And the books were art and now we're replicating the art into the tech. Which if you show this tech to someone like 100 to 200 years ago, it pretty much is witchcraft. It pretty much is wizarding, magic. It's pretty cool. Comment below what your favorite Harry Potter spell is. Make sure you smash the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn the notification bell on so you get notified when new videos are released. Peace out.